Hello, we are going to look at a schedule that at first glance may look a little bit more complicated. So, if you're used to reading an Aurora High School schedule, or if this is your first time reading an Aurora High School schedule, you'll see that some of the courses are listed for the term AY, which is all year. So, first period, second period, and third period classes on the schedule are all year classes. That seems pretty straightforward. When you get into the fourth through sixth period classes, these may look a little more complicated. Some of them happen in semester one, some of them happen in semester two. You see things like lunch and study hall listed multiple times, and that may be confusing. So, a helpful way to write your schedule, if this looks similar to yours, is to write out on paper semester one versus semester two and list the different periods that are scheduled in the middle of the day. So that would be 4A, 5A, and 6. So this is what our bell schedule looks like on a typical year at Aurora High School. Then you can start filling in the pieces that you see. I can see that there's lunch during semester one, fourth period. So I'm only going to write that in the semester one column. I can see that phys ed happens in semester two during the 4A period. So I'm going to write that down under 4 and 4A, understanding that I stay in PE for that entire block of time. Continue on to see that lunch in semester two is listed as fifth period, while a class like World History that runs over 5A6 is the same all year long. So I will write that under 5A6 in both semester one and semester two. I would encourage you to not worry too much about semester two right now. We'll worry about that when we come to our schedule changes at the semester as we approach January. And I also want to remind you that lunches will not be as typical this year. So don't worry about it saying that you have fourth period lunch. You're actually going to eat lunch depending on what class you're in near your lunch time. Examples of that can be found on the other two videos that are posted about interpreting your schedule, so you can refer to those videos for a little bit more help. But hopefully you see that even though study hall is listed 3 times on this example schedule, it really is only happening once during semester one and then once during semester two. I hope you find this video helpful, and I want you to remember that we are all working on this new block schedule together this year. If you come on the first day and you still have questions, that's more than all right. And teachers, counselors, and other students will help you to understand where you need to go for each period of the day.